We are here with rationalizing an irrational number. Irrational number, how can we rationalize that? For knowing that, we see rationalizing factor first. Every irrational number which is under radical form, means in root form, will have a rationalizing factor. Suppose consider this root 8 is an irrational number. Now its rationalizing factor, that means such irrational number which is multiplied with this and the product comes rational, means when product of two irrational numbers gives a rational number, that means first one or second one, any of both, is called rationalizing factor of other. Suppose I multiply by root 2 and it comes root 8 into 2, 16, and gives 4. Now you see, this is rational, this is irrational, this is irrational, means two irrational numbers are multiplied and product is coming rational. That means root 8 has its rationalizing factor root 2. Now let us see how to rationalize the denominator of any irrational number which is in fraction form. Suppose we take 1 by root 7 and we have to rationalize its denominator. Now you see 1 by root 7, that means what is rationalizing factor of root 7? If we have to rationalize denominator, that means get the denominator exempted from root. And now you have 1 by root 7. And what is its rationalizing factor? Root 7 itself. So multiply this by root 7 and divide also, so that value of this remains unchanged. Understand? Rationalizing factor of this we are taking to divide and multiply by. Now this gives you root 7 by 7. Two root numbers multiplied, root is away. Now root 7 by 7. This is rational denominator, irrational numerator. No problem. Denominator we have to rationalize. Now in case 1 by root 3 plus root 2. This is a binomial irrational number. Binomial means two terms. 1, 2. Two terms. Now to rationalize denominator of this binomial irrational number in denominator, we have to think about its rationalizing factor. So rationalizing factor of every binomial irrational number will be with the same term and opposite sign. Opposite sign means its rationalizing factor will become root 3 minus root 2, and same thing you take to divide by, so that the value of this number remains unchanged. So root 3 minus root 2 is rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 2. Had this been minus, we would have taken plus there. Now this is 1 into that root 3 minus root 2 by lower term, you see a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square minus root 2 square gives you root 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus 2, root 3 minus root 2 by 1. Now you have got a rational denominator, numerator irrationalities. So this is how we have to rationalize the denominator of a fraction like this. Thank you.